Hey YouTube, just an update. It's actually been maybe 4 to 6 months since I've replaced the driver's side front little actuator motor thing, and it's been working flawlessly, no issues, especially now in the Southern California heat. I've seen temperatures over 100 degrees outside, and the motor's been working fine. However, my um, right rear passenger door has suffered kind of a failure, so I'm actually replacing that motor as well. It's been pretty hot this summer, and I'm actually replacing that motor today. Funny enough, the the rear windows, the rear motors are actually a lot easier to remove. There's really only one cable, I guess one linkage that you have to remove. There's only one linkage that you have to remove on the driver's side, and it's pretty easy to do. I definitely did it a lot faster than when I did the driver's side. So I actually have two more motors, so I'm trying to decide which ones I want to replace, if I want to replace the right front or the left rear. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but maybe I'll just wait until they fail again. Not sure about that. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you an update on the Land Cruiser and this door actuator replacement. It's really easy. Definitely need to have, well, you don't have to have, but I'd recommend having some dielectric grease. You'll need some epoxy. I have this JB Weld meant for plastics here, and a heat gun or a hair dryer to warm up the little motor cover here. And then, once you get this motor cover out, it's pretty easy. Just heat it up for like 5 minutes, and then I actually use this little fine screwdriver here, and I hit it with a hammer, and that started to pry open the two halves, and then I actually use these interior trim removal tools to kind of just crack it open. So yeah, pretty simple tools. This electric grease was actually $13, the most expensive thing I've ever purchased, I feel like, from CRC. But this should last me a very long time. Yeah, so I think that anybody can do this. Anybody can do this replacement of this actuator. You don't need to be a Toyota mechanic. You don't need to have 10 years of experience. You can kind of just figure it out. The one thing that I would stress is you should be very, very careful when you're removing the linkages and the door handle, because the door handle's pretty fragile. Or not the door handle, but the plastic linkages are pretty fragile. I guess they're very brittle, especially over time. So I would really take care on removing the linkages from this piece and any other piece that's plastic. As you can see here, this is the cover that kind of surrounds, I guess, this little motor once it's installed. I actually broke this piece off trying to remove it. So I put some epoxy on there, and hopefully that'll... I probably don't need it, but we'll see if I need it. Now this is the linkage assembly that cover protects. So yeah, this is pretty simple modification. Anybody can do it. Alright, well thanks for watching.